favourite things is sushi and boba.
What flavour?
Remember this? Truffle vein cheese. Cheese, 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 cheese. Good morning, friends, from me and Sugar Lulu. Hey, she's a bit panty today. As I've said previously, we've been in like doggy training, which basically means I'm trying to bring her out with me all the time just to get her used to the outside world basically, and we've left it like almost a week, so now she's being a bit of a panty pest. Gone back a couple of steps, haven't we? But anyway, hi everyone, welcome to a brand new vlog. On this one, you know, I was trying to think of what to vlog about this week, and I thought I'm just going to bring you along through life on the Riviera, day-to-day life, really casual, really relaxed. You can see what we're getting up to, because I think a lot of the time that's the kind of vlogs that you like, just the generally what we're doing, where we're going, what we're eating, things like that. So I have just dropped Nancy, my daughter, off on the dance run. She has gone to dance. The dance run, it's a lot, it's like 4 times a week, so you'll often see me checking in from the dance run because it's a rush. I just chuck the camera in my bag and then I check in when all is calm. So that has been the first stop this morning. So I am currently in Cannes city centre, and actually I believe that my husband is working on a brand new job not far away. So the plan was to go and check it over, do his like before shots, and yeah, just see how it's going, because I think they're on there all day today. So let's give him a call and see. Ooh, I'm almost on 9,000 subscribers on YouTube, guys, so thank you, we're very close. Maybe by the time you're watching this vlog we might have hit 9k. Have a check, see if we've got there, that'd be nice. Let's give Daddy a call, shall we? Calm.
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Where are you?
Just trying to get to this job. It's a nightmare because they close one at main roads to get to it.
In Cannes?
In Cannes, yeah, I'm in Cannes.
Do you want me to call and get all your before shots?
Yeah, you can do if you want.
It's up to you.
It's not easy though. It's easier probably to walk for you, madam.
Yeah, I'll walk, but you need to tell me where you are then.
It's Palm Beach.
Palm Beach. Okay, well, me and Sugar Lulu will have a walk to see ya.
Yeah. All right, no worries. I'll send you the address.
Okay. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Ooh, fancy. Look at the Carlton, guys. It's finally reopened its doors after a humongous 2-year renovation project. Here's the exterior. How stunning does it look? I absolutely love the pale lemon stripe window coverings they've used. Super classic and chic feel. Let me know what you guys think. Check out the wisteria. Look how stunning. I absolutely love it, and it's in full bloom at the moment on the Riviera. There is masses of purple coverings everywhere. The only thing is it seems to last 2 minutes and then it's gone to dust. Bonjour monsieur.
Hi,
Ça va?
welcome to Cannes.
Welcome
Ça va?
to Cannes. Oh my gosh, look at that dog. Sugar's not seen it, look. Sugar, look. Look at the side of your Sugar. Busy, busy boys.
We'll just use
Bonjour. Ça va?
Next. Okay, bye.
Why are you protecting the floor outside?
Why?
Yeah.
Because you'll see, I'm going to take you up, we have to bring all the waste through there,
Right.
all the way through the building because it's a flat.
The
And then
waste.
someone's coming here to collect it all.
Ah, okay, so you're going to
One
put the
day
waste on there.
So we're protecting the floor, yes. We're pinching a little bit of pavement, temporarily. Someone might come and tell us we're not allowed to do it at some point.
No, it's better to protect it. You've got to
I know,
get rid of your
but we're
waste.
protecting it. Yeah. It's only temporary.
If they see you doing a thorough job, they tend to leave you alone, no?
That's it, yeah.
Wow.
Protect the lift. You need to do this back wall left.
Now we have Scott. Just sugar.
Rubble sacks.
Protected all the floor as well.
Yeah, five
Nice.
packs of rubble sacks, yeah. I'll send you a list now, alright? Bye. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Whoa. You've started the demolition already.
Yeah, so we've had a couple of guys here for 3 days.
Get what you mean about the rubbish.
Getting rid of all the rubbish, so now we've got to get rid of all this.
Yeah.
I think we've got probably 4 trucks full, I'd say.
That's one of the biggest tasks, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wowee.
So in this project, this wall's coming out.
Right.
Because they're having a new wall in, because if you look at the construction of the old wall, it's just
Oh
egg
yeah.
box.
Okay.
So it's not very good for acoustics. So we're going to make that into a sound wall. And then this is coming out, going up. This is all coming out, and it's going to be an open plan kitchen area.
Oh, so you're opening it all up?
Yeah, opening it all up.
So
Obviously this wall last staying, because this is where the bathroom is.
fantastic.
Yeah. It's just a little studio in Cannes. Lovely.
Cute.
And retiling everywhere.
Beautiful location.
Nice tiled terrace out here, going to redo that. And yeah, it looks out onto the sea.
Can I have a little look out there?
You certainly can. Come.
Sugar's hesitant.
Go on, Suggs.
Nice.
Lovely, innit?
Yeah.
See the sea over there? Just.
Beautiful.
Very
Can't wait to see
cosmopolitan.
it when it's finished. Oh look, you see that terrace is nice over there, look, with all the topiary and bits. Oh, I think it'd be lovely when it's done.
We do like a bit
What
of
about
topiary
this? Is that all getting changed?
This is not by us.
Yeah.
Yeah, the guys are coming to change the windows, the roller shutters and the stores.
Nice.
I think we might end up changing the cladding. This wall's coming out.
My gorgeous boy finished school. How many lessons you had today?
3.
3 lessons. Half a day at school. And we've got my little ballerina in the back somewhere.
Yeah, look.
Show me yourself. Sugar was a little bit naughty today, wasn't you, Sugar? Barking at all the other doggies. I don't know how to fix that, by the way. I try and keep her calm. I've tried to give her treats when we're passing dogs. Yeah, she gets quite... She looks like a vicious dog. when we pass other little dogs. Any dogs, actually, it doesn't matter the size. Show me the ballerina. I love you. I love my darlings. I love my darlings. I don't know what we've got in the house to eat, and it's lunchtime, so you're going to want feeding. I love where we're staying at the moment. It's a beautiful little townhouse.
Oh, can I take one?
No, we cannot.
Yeah, we can.
It'd be ridiculous. I've showed you. I did the little tour. The only thing is, it's
Just
at the
each
top
way
of a hill. So we're living very minimalistic at the moment. Like, we're not doing full big food shops. We're just getting like a couple of bags every 2 to 3 days. So I like it in a way. I love living minimal actually, but then also it's annoying when I'm like, oh, what have I got in the fridge again? And because I've drove around all morning doing dance run, school run, I just really couldn't be bothered to stop off at the shop. Any more than a couple of bags, you've got to carry it all the way up the hill, and you are pooped by the time you're up the hill. So that's how we're living at the moment. So it'll be a case of see what we can find and rustle up. We've got eggs. We haven't had eggs today, and we all love eggs in this family. We all like them a little bit different, but eggs are a winner and super healthy protein. So maybe it's eggs for lunch.
Yay, scrambled eggs.
You want scrambled eggs on toast?
Yeah.
I know I've got that. What about you, Seth? He loves his doggies, don't you?
Oh, I learned a new word at dance.
What?
Quackleback.
Huh?
No, we just worked that.
What is it?
Quackleback.
Quackle bear. What's that then?
Nance.
They say what in French for me?
Qua?
Quackleback.
Quackle bear? What's that mean?
It's like a TikTok word.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
What,
it's
a bit of
just-
French slang?
It's what you say when someone says quiet and you don't know it, like, you know, it's just a joke.
When somebody says quack, you say quackleback.
Oh, really? What does your little t-shirt say today? Hey? So what? Become spoiled rotten. Wow. Oh, she's precious. Like your little squeakers. She's saying, I want t-shirt, Mama. Wow. Actually some time together.
I know, it's Friday. We ain't got no job. We ain't got shit to do.
You're gonna kill me.
Is it that bad?
You're gonna have something to say about this.
Turn the
Ryan
AC on.
loves getting in my car to find that we're on the very last dregs of petrol.
I ain't got a clue how you do it every time.
I hate stopping for fuel. Did you bring my new petrol cap? I bet you didn't.
I bought a new petrol cap.
Yeah.
So you ain't even put your new jobby stick on.
Oh, he's bought me a new. Oh, so thoughtful. Thank you. Really do look after me, don't you? He's got me a new stick for my camera
And a petrol cap.
and a petrol cap.
All the good things,
Anyway,
you know.
say hi.
Bonjour.
I'm not actually working right now. Amazing. We've got a chunk of time together to have some fun. And you know what we're doing with this chunk of fun time? We're going food shopping.
Yeah.
Because as I said, we've got no food in the fridge, and living at the top of a hill, it's, you know, something you need to keep on top of.
It's
because-
definitely a joint exercise, isn't it, food shopping?
Yeah.
Couldn't do it on your own.
No. So before we pick the kids up, because it's about to be the school holidays as well, it's like the last day at school today, we are going to nip to a supermarket, a very good one actually. It's very highly rated
Yes.
around the Riviera. Lots of our friends love this supermarket. It's called Super U, and it's got some fantastic sections for cheese, for wine, for sushi, for meat. And we're going to go and grab a couple of bags of food, hey, and just have a little restock, and then pick the kids up from school, and then who knows where the evening will take us. We're thinking of going out for a little drink tonight, maybe a bit of something to eat. We're thinking maybe going to a village close by to us, which is lovely actually. So if we end up going there, we'll take you along and show you around. But that'll be nice. Won't it, honey?
It certainly will. I think we ought to depart now, though,
Yes.
because the engine is running and the fuel is very low.
Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry.
What we're going to get, Nance?
Right, Nancy, two favourite things is sushi and boba, bubble tea. Because it's like school's out, we're going to get a sushi and bubble tea. It's just Seth, what do you think he'll want? Like the milkshakey thing and then something.
Yeah.
We'll think something. We'll think something. But she loves the... Which one do you think? That's quite a lot, isn't it? Although she does eat a lot of it.
I think one without salmon. She's not keen on salmon. Like these little sushi sandwiches, maybe.
No, really? They've got salmon in them.
Salmon in them.
She does like the salmon.
What about this? Oh, it's veggie. I don't think she does.
Well, there's only 2 salmon in there anyway, or 3 salmon, so I'll just eat the salmon.
What about this? A California box. Are you going for that one?
I'm going for that one. I think she'll love it.
Pop it in then.
Yeah, let's pop it in. Oh my gosh. Look at the fish section in this place. It's incredible. Shame Ryan's not a huge fan of fish. Oh, they look amazing. The kebabs. Oysters, it's been a while, and lobster. Won't be rushing to the lobster. We haven't been for oysters in a long time, hun. And that's something we both do like. Ooh, fantastic meat section. And we've got the chickens in a bag. Ready to go. Poulet. Oysters, yeah. It's been ages. Oh, look at the special meat in the back. Wow. Oh my god, that is something else. Look at the thickness of that quiche.
I'd have to have the one at the back.
Oh my gosh, incredible. A cured sausage with pistachio in it.
So you must not cook that then, you just eat it like that.
Look at that. Do you want one? I want one.
Dear, this one feels better than I feel like.
Does it? Oh yeah, that one definitely feels better. So let's get that pistachio sausage straight in my basket. Oh, we've got some real golden nuggets filling up in here now. So, do you think we should get this instead of the truffle burratas that picks up?
That is truffle burrata.
No, this says it's mozzarella, not burrata. So look, buffalo milk and Italian truffle.
We'll have to try both.
Try both.
We can't miss out.
I know,
Oh,
that's
look at
exactly how I
That's
feel.
goat's burrata. Goat's cheese burrata.
So many amazing.
Me and Seth may love that one.
But I liked the look of that, do you? It's from Italy.
Oh, look at that one. Massive. Some right weight in that one.
Quality over quantity.
Go on then.
Yeah?
Chuck it in. Chuck it in, mate.
We're having a
Burrata
week.
first.
Yeah. Lush.
Up there, darling.
Remember this? Truffle vein cheese. Do you remember that?
I remember it well.
We paid a fortune for a slice
How
of
much
that,
is it?
didn't we, from on TV.
What's that cost though? Look, look at that, Fern. That's $5.28. We paid about $25.28 for the same.
We did.
Yeah.
It was longer, wasn't it? But it was slimmer. I'd say we only got like that much more. Oh, so nice. Oh gosh. We've got halloumi here as well. I haven't had halloumi for ages.
Squeaky
Wow.
cheese.
Time to get the darlings from school. They will be extremely happy because school's out. So we got some little treats because it's a treat. We got the hyped bubble tea. See that? Nancy is obsessed with it. So this flavour is Thai lychee, which she will love. And then we got Seth this, which is fudge brownie flavoured gaming edition next level drink.
Last one.
Like I said, it's a treat and it's the school holidays. So then we're going to go home. Actually picked up some sushi for Nancy as well, so I think Seth will want a really nice burger, so I've got the ingredients to make that. And then shall we head out for a little drink this evening, honey?
Yes.
Yes, a nice chilled one.
For the
It's
first time in a
Friday.
while.
We've got the Friday feeling, the sun is shining, so we will take you along. You got one of those? Wow, what did you do?
I mean, the teacher just said that I was getting everything right in my red book, which is where we do everything.
Well done. How was your day, babe? Seth?
What?
Dad, I can't even put
I got you a little drinky.
What?
So you both got different, because you both got different, like, favourites. So Seth, you got a gaming drink.
Wait, is it?
Do you like it?
This is fruit. It's not
I
food.
know, I know. I've seen these advertised on YouTube though.
It's not food though.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that good for you then?
Yeah.
Nancy, I didn't really know what you'd like, so...
I mean, you know me, so...
Well, I just took a wild guess.
Oh no! What flavour?
Lychee, I think.
Yes! Yes! Thank you, Mummy. So much for me.
That's it. Coat your internal pipes with that sugar.
Yes.
Really good for you.
This is I know it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Just a little food shop, guys, but I thought I'd show you anyway because we all like to see what one another are eating. So here's what we got. Mainly cheese. Cheese, 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 cheese. This is one of Ryan's favourites actually. It's like a nice salty, semi-hard one. This is goat's cheese. You know what? Seth loves goat's cheese, which I think is really unusual for a child to love goat's cheese, but he does. 2 truffle burratas. I think we'll have them tomorrow. And then of course we had to pick this one up as well, just because it looked really special. I loved it. Look, it's like a mozzarella one. Mozzarella with truffle. And then just some cream cheese. We got the good tomatoes. Can I open this bag with one hand? Do you really want to see the tomatoes anyway? I don't know, but I'm going to show you because they're just the best tomatoes ever. There we go, look. Gorgeous tomatoes. We have loved this type of tomato since the day we arrived in France. Ooh, more cheese. Extra mature cheddar. Then we've got some burgers because I was trying to think of like Seth's favourite meal for this evening. And all I could think of was burger. So I'm going to make him a really lovely burger that hopefully looks a little bit like this one on here. Ryan's mayonnaise. This has got no mustard because he has a mustard allergy. So his favourite, and we all love it as well, to be honest. Sushi for the girly. Asparagus, because I just love asparagus. I just have it sometimes on its own, grilled with a bit of melted cheese on, salt, pepper, oil as a little snack. Love it. We got some rocket salad. I got myself a little treat. Absolutely obsessed. Don't have them very often. really gorgeous. Have I missed anything? A pack of ham and a large pack of gnocchi. Ooh, and the sausage with pistachio. I've never known a girl love sushi as much as this one. Honestly, it's crazy.
Do you know?
Yeah.
Do you know who this is a sculpture of?
Ooh. Ooh, I think I recognise the face.
It's
But
not just
is it
that,
Edward Scissorhands?
It's the sunflowers he's carrying, surely.
Oh, is that the sunflowers?
So who is it?
Oh yeah, it's sunflowers. Who is it?
It's a big,
BFG?
it's Van Gogh.
Oh, is it Van Gogh? Of course.
I knew.
Did you know?
Obviously, he's carrying
Yeah,
sunflowers.
but you like your history, don't you?
Oh, God. We've not dropped that one for ages, have we?
Ryan's a lot more into his history than me. I just like the nice aesthetics. It's turned very windy.
Very windy.
Hasn't it? But we're finishing the evening off
Kind of scary.
in this gorgeous little village. It's actually a mega tourist hotspot. It's Mujan village, and it's actually where Picasso used to live, so it's super arty themed everywhere. Cute little streets. So yeah, I will leave you with some footage of this stunning place, but right now I'm going to go enjoy a drink of
Vin.
Sancerre.
Oh, something.
What are you fancying?
I'll just have whatever you're at, darling.
Okay. Anyway, guys, see you all soon. Bye.
Bye.
I used to fall apart, lose myself, then give my heart away. Come and go in shady places. I used to sit and stare. Now the light runs through my lashes. It's taken 40 years, blood, sweat and tears. You are the love. I can't show you how to start to find your way. I like the old-fashioned way. Give me that sweet love, those warm open kisses. Oh, life has a quirky way. Circle breaks, we find a new day. And strangers we know become husbands. Every dance has its pace, interlaced, intertwined now. You can't save time.